So we are getting ready to enter Sirao Garden.
Hindi naman kayo nagsisirap, di ba? Oo, edi. Ano ba? Kularo pa na ba? Hindi! Iihian ako.
Okay, Sirao Garden, spelled S-I-R-A-O. And the entrance fee was 70 pesos each.
Sige na po. Kulit mo, mi?
It's really pretty up here. Wanna go up?
Yeah, you can go up there and then down.
Yep.
Be careful.
Yeah. Maybe hit the steps.
Ayun po, mas maganda yata yung video.
Oh, mas maganda din.
Nakurado na yun sa van. Hindi lang bababa. Ano pwede mo dala yung pumunta ko dito kasi nagpipicture ko sila. Oo nga, pero lalabas dito.
It's pretty nice up here. The view is fantastic. We're definitely up in the hills. And the ride up here from down below in Cebu City was just phenomenal. A lot of little communities, little barangays, whatever you want to call them, villages, climbing through the hills to get here, and it was just and a lot of green, a lot of vegetation. So it was just really pretty up here. So I'll give you another view of what this place has to offer, and then we'll call it good. All right.
Take one more photo. My sleepers, so there. Sirao.
Yeah, nice place. Definitely one of the tourist attractions here in Cebu, Philippines. So we'll call this one good, and we'll move on to the next. All right, take it easy, guys.